Slow muna habang maaga. Habang bago pa nag-aaral.
Pagka
Oh my gosh!
Pagka,
Maski alin, maski saan mo gusto.
pagka may permit ka, hindi sa stop sign lang yun.
I'm pretending
Pero
there's a
pagka
stop
may
sign.
sasakyan, pagbibigyan mo sila, bahala ka, okay lang
Wait,
maghintay.
stop sign.
Okay lang maghintay. Tsaka yung preno mo,
Oh my gosh!
Sorry, I pressed too hard.
mag-aaral ka magpreno ng smooth, yung hindi nagagano.
Oo, pati yun sa paggagas.
Oh, the thing is automatic?
Yeah.
At the let go of the gas?
No, hindi naman tumakbo.
I thought you said it was automatic.
Okay,
The
go.
thing, the...
Can you use your signal light every time you turn?
I just...
Okay.
Pagkakakaliwa
Signal na
ka.
kagad. Ayan. Mga 200 yards.
Wait, where is the
100
signal?
yards yata.
50.
50 yards.
Wait, is there a car? Yes, there's a
Yeah.
car. Okay.
Lolo.
Tapos may lolo nga talaga rin.
Oo.
Oh my gosh. Ate, do you know how to drive fast?
Pinapanood tayo nun.
Really?
Masyadong malapit natin sa,
Ate,
Oh, okay.
sa curve.
You have to stay in the
Where's the
middle.
Lolo?
Alam mo na. Maligno.
Where?
Hindi tayo nakikita. Liwanag lang nakikita, no? Oh, signal. Saan ka liliko? Para alam nung kasunod mo kung saan ka liliko. Tsaka nung nandun.
Stop sign.
Wait, look.
Pero dito, walang stop sign. Hindi ka pwede magganyan pagka sa parking lot.
No, I'm just...
Ayan,
Pretending.
ganyan, pretending.
Hi, Dad.
Ayos ba?
I
Ayos ba ang outing natin yun?
Yeah. Even though it's in the parking lot.
It's the best.
Siyempre mag-aaral muna tayo sa ganito. Bago
What
tayo
happened to the
lumabas.
basketball court here?
They took it down? Oh, isn't it down there?
no,
Dad.
hindi rito ang basketball.
Nailipat no.
Nailipat mo?
Oh, we should bring a ball.
Nawala na eh. Sinira na, tinanggal na. Dati na rito yun. Ayun.
Oh, yeah, huh?
Iba noon eh.
Mm-hmm. Alright.